Hi, thanks for coming by. Today I'm going to show you how I engrave cutting boards with my 80-watt CO2 laser. I'm going to show you my two biggest sellers. First one is bamboo. This is a top seller because of price, whereas walnut, which is this one, is a lot more pricier. But with the bamboo, it's very inconsistent with the way it engraves, whereas the walnut, you always know what you're going to get because it's perfect every time. So today I'm going to engrave a bamboo cutting board. I'm going to open up my lid here. Place there. Make sure everything is lined up properly. Turn on my machine. My water chiller is on. I'll wait and do that after. Let me go in here. So we're going to do this design that I made in Lightburn. We are going to move. We are going to I'm going to fill in the X position, which I have already set up as I do this board often. All right. Change this, start from to absolute. Need to lower the bed. I use this guide here so it shows me how far I should go from the laser. Okay, so that's perfect. I'm going to hit frame. So this board is a little bit wider, it looks like. So I'm going to have to adjust my settings. Try it again. So this seems about perfect. So I'm going to close this. My water chiller is on. Turn on my air. Turn on the fan. Make sure my settings are correct. My speed, I'm going to do 175, 30, 20, one pass. Make sure that's centered, perfect. And now I'm going to hit, make sure the laser is on. And now I will press start. So our board is complete. Here it is. Nicely done. First, I'll turn off the laser, turn off my light that I had in there, turn off my fan, turn the air off. Oop. There we go. Now here's our board. Now you see what I mean earlier by it's very inconsistent. It goes light to dark, dark, light. So this is what you get when you engrave bamboo boards. Now the next step is we're going to clean. Okay, so now the board is dry. I'm going to give it a quick sand with 220 grit sandpaper. You'll see the reason why I am sanding it is because the little fibers pop up and it's not smooth at all. So what I do is I sand it. I'll do the other side. All right. Grab my toothbrush. Clean out all the dust in between. All right, now the next step is we're going to oil it. Make sure that the spots that you engrave get really soaked up and rub in the same way as a grain is going. And I am rubbing this with food grade oil. Do the edges. All right, now the back. All right, so now the board is complete.